Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Facebook. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about the application of Facebook and you can click. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but be attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.